Day 76, Part 1. How were they? Yesterday, I went to Mexican restaurant. The food at the restaurant was expensive, but good. Mexican food is normally very good. How were there? Yesterday, I went to Mexican restaurant. The food at the restaurant was expensive but good. Mexican food is normally very good. Part 2A. Pass. Yesterday I went to Mexican restaurant. Did I go to Thai to restaurant yesterday? You went to Mexican restaurant. No, you didn't go to Thai restaurant. You went to Argentinian restaurant yesterday? You went to Mexican restaurant. Who went to restaurant? You went to restaurant. Was the restaurant with Mexican? Your restaurant, yes, was the restaurant was with Mexican. When did I go to restaurant? Yesterday. Yesterday you went to Mexican restaurant. Was the restaurant Thai? Was the restaurant you didn't go Mexican. It was not Thai. You was Mexican restaurant. Who was the restaurant? You went you went to restaurant. Part 2B. Present. Tomorrow I will go to Mexican restaurant. You will go to Thai restaurant tomorrow. You will go to Mexican restaurant. You will not go to Thai restaurant. You will go to Mexican restaurant. You will go to Argentinian restaurant tomorrow. You will go to Mexican restaurant. Who will go to restaurant? You will go to restaurant. Will the restaurant be Mexican? Yes. The restaurant will be Mexican. When will I go to restaurant? Tomorrow. Tomorrow you will go to Mexican restaurant. Will the restaurant be Thai? No, not be Thai. You will restaurant tomorrow. It will be Mexico. Who will go restaurant? You will go to restaurant. Part 3. The food at the restaurant was expensive but good. Was the food at the restaurant was cheap or was expensive? Was expensive. The food at the restaurant was expensive. Was the food very expensive? Not very expensive. It's expensive but not very expensive. What food was expensive? The food at the restaurant was expensive. Was the food cheap or was expensive? Expensive. The food at the restaurant was expensive. Was the cook the food at the restaurant? Yes. The food at the restaurant, it was cooked. Was it bad? No. The food at the restaurant was not bad. It was expensive. If the food at the restaurant was good. Was the food expensive but good? Was the food at the restaurant was expensive but good? Yes. The food at the restaurant was expensive but good. Was the food cheap? Yes. The food at the restaurant was expensive, not cheap. Part 4. Mexican food is normally very good. Is Mexican food normally bad? Mexican food is normally very good. Is it normally bad? Is Mexican food normally good or bad? Normally good. Mexican food is normally good. How is Mexican food normally? Cook. Is normally cook. Is there good food in Mexico? Yes, there is good. Is there good food in Mexico? Sometimes. Not sometimes. Is normally good. Is Mexican food always good? Not always, but it's normally good. But not always, but it is normally good. The food there is normally good. Part 5. Today I'm going to Mexican restaurant. I'm going with my friend Jorge. We're going to restaurant to eat. In the restaurant, I eat well. My friend also eats well. We eat well. The food from the restaurant is expensive but good. See you tomorrow. Personal question. Do you eat a restaurant a lot? Sometimes.